Brighten your smile. Naturally, discover teeth. Whitening home remedies. Welcome to our guide on using natural remedies to turn your yellow teeth pearly white. Today, we'll explore some simple yet effective solutions that can be found right in your home. Firstly, baking soda has been a go-to for oral care for centuries. Its mild abrasive properties can gently remove surface stains from your teeth, giving them a brighter appearance. Another powerful ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, a common household antiseptic. When used carefully, it can act as a natural whitening agent, breaking down stains to reveal whiter teeth. Coconut oil pulling is an ancient practice that's catching up again. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for a few minutes daily can reduce plaque and bacteria, leading to whiter teeth. Apple cider vinegar, known for its cleaning properties, can also be used as a natural teeth whitener. However, its acidity requires it to be used sparingly to avoid enamel damage. Strawberries might seem surprising, but they contain malic acid, which can help remove discoloration on your teeth. Mashing up strawberries and applying them to your teeth can naturally lift stains. Activated charcoal is another trendy remedy. It's highly absorbent and can bind to stains on teeth, pulling them off when you rinse. But it should be used cautiously to protect your enamel. Lemon and orange peels are also beneficial. Their natural acids can help with whitening. However, like vinegar, the use should be moderate to prevent enamel erosion. Turmeric might stain your clothes, but it can work wonders on your teeth. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can contribute to oral health and whiten your teeth when used as a paste. Salt has been used for dental hygiene for ages. Its abrasive texture helps remove stains and brighten teeth. Mixing it with baking soda can create an effective whitening paste. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables can also naturally clean your teeth. Apples, carrots, and celery are great options that help remove plaque and stains through their abrasive texture. Maintaining good oral hygiene is the foundation of keeping your teeth white. Brushing twice a day, flossing, and regular dental checkups can prevent yellowing and maintain your teeth's natural whiteness. Remember, while these natural remedies can be effective, they should be used with caution. Overuse can damage your enamel. Always do a patch test and consult with your dentist for personalized advice. In conclusion, achieving whiter teeth naturally is possible with consistency and care. These remedies can enhance your smile, but it's essential to approach them as part of a broader dental care routine. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, subscribe PhysioMedics, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.